Hello, my name is Timothy V. I am working with Tom in creating these short instructional and awareness videos to help bridge the gap between the business and its applications. Welcome to this segment on packaging with Aunt Gussie. Let me first start by saying, if you feel overwhelmed by the amount of information in this segment, you are not alone. This video will be available online so you can view it at any time. There is a lot to cover, so let's get started. There are 4 sections on the application's interface that you need to be aware of. The first section is Productions to Process. In this area you will select and right-click the production that you will be packaging. Select and click Process Package Batch. This will populate all the necessary data to be used in packaging the batch. The second section is Production to Package. Here is where the batch identification information is populated and includes the lot number and batch name. On that same form is a list of all the packaging material that was assigned to the productions. The third section is Select Finished Goods to Package. Here again you will select and then right-click the packaging option you would like to package. Select or click on the package menu item. This will populate the proper information for packaging the option you choose. The fourth section is where you will be scanning the barcode of the packaging material that you will be using. When you scan the barcode, the necessary information for that packaging material is populated, including its lot number, material name, and a suggested quantity amount that needs to be used. I am completely out of time. I hope you found this video informative and I hope to see you next time. Thank you, and remember, Tom knows security.